Hello, it's John here from Planet Primary. Okay, I'm going to explain the Describe a Face resource from Planet Primary. This is what it loads up like, as you can see, that's a self-portrait of me, and that's actually what I look like in real life. So if you play around with it, we can click on my hair, and you can change it to this is what I look like at different times of day, in different moods. This is what I look like first thing in the morning, last thing at night, and on a weekend. You can also change the skin colour. I also look like this, but not this. You can change the cheeks. Ooh, I think we recognise that from somewhere. You can change the nose. You can change any element you like. So as you can see, there's all sorts of different possibilities. You can change the eyes. Oh, now sometimes the eyes and the eyebrows don't quite match up because of the eye shape changes, but you can play around with it until they do. Oh, for example, now I've got one eye. I think I'm going to need to change the eyebrows. Oh, let's change the skin colour. Oh, let's change the hair. What can we see? What can we do? So you could start with a face like that and ask children to describe it, or you can have them build a face. If you click on the question mark, ooh, you can just choose a word, and you can ask them to come up with a face that will match the word. So loads of different possibilities there. Have fun. Oh, one more thing, there's a print button as well if you like that kind of thing. So you could load that up on identical computers and the children could design their own face and print them off. It could be a great resource for the start of a lesson. All sorts of great ideas like this, all on Planet Primary, all really nice and cheap and usable, flexible for the creative teacher. Have lots of fun. Bye.